How to make money online from social media marketing. There is a lot of money to be made through employing social media business ideas. People are making a living without selling a single product. Those who have a large social following can use their profiles to get paid by brands, sell their knowledge, offer consultations, and more. In this video, we will explain how to make money online from social media marketing. Stay connected with us to know all that and watch complete video. 1. Promote your small business products and services on social media. Social media accounts can help you interact with others by sharing and creating content through communities. With it, you can promote your brand and business, tell customers about your goods and services, find out what customers think of your business, attract new customers, and build stronger relationships with existing customers. Promoting your business through social media platforms is cost-effective. You can use it to promote and drive traffic to your online store and also supplement sales to your brick-and-mortar sales. 2. Sell digital products using your social media channels. Besides promoting your business, social media can be used to sell digital products as well. A nifty way to make money is through selling digital products simply through social media. Unlike websites, social media platforms are designed to help you sell digital products with little fanfare within just a few minutes. Plus, if the product you sell is digital, you don't have to worry about shipping or even inventory. With digital products such as templates, software, ebooks, photography, music, and so you can sell them an unlimited number of times with little effort. 3. Join networks and promote affiliate products. You can also expand your reach to potential customers by joining networks and make money through affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing, you can earn money by just adding tracked affiliate links into the text of your social media content. By joining affiliate network programs, you stand to get paid in commissions for new leads or sales you bring when visitors click on the links. 4. Sell your music on SoundCloud. If you are creatively inclined, you can sell your music through SoundCloud. Here you can sell your original music through SoundCloud if you sign up on the platform SoundCloud Pro or Pro Unlimited subscriptions. You get unlimited upload time, get paid for your plays, access to advanced audience insights, and more. 5. Collaborate with brands. Social proof is the new word of mouth. More and more consumers today trust influencers over paid advertisements. Thanks to their huge following, bloggers today can talk directly to a company's target audience. From posting product reviews, hosting video tutorials, bloggers have the power to influence large segments of consumers. If you have a unique niche, you can showcase your expertise to make your blog stand out, while also collaborating with brands that might be tied to your niche in the process. Brands will benefit as their customers yearn for honest messages that speak to them from a user's perspective. 6. Run a Facebook group. Facebook offers you a huge reach compliments to its over 2 billion active monthly users. By creating Facebook groups of your own can be an inexpensive and effective way to reach your target audience. It helps you build a community around common interests or goals, and can even help drive traffic to your blog or website. 7. Sell rights to the images on your social media accounts. If you have some great pictures or digital artwork of yours that people are interested in purchasing, then you can use social media account to connect with people interested in purchasing your creations. 8. Advertise as a blog content writer. You can also offer your services as a blogger by opting for social media advertising as well. For example, Google and Facebook ads offer an inexpensive option to get your targeted advertisement for your marketing needs as a blogger. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you like it, give it like, and if you want more videos related to making money ideas, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell icon.